respected teachers and my dear friends. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president, a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected teacher, all my dear friends. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. My name is Shreya Surendra Gaikwad and I am from 5th B. Today I am going to say a poem, Teacher, a Future Creator. A school is a temple, teacher are immortal. We are the empty bottle, we always try to fill the bottle. But our teacher says it's empty total. If we do mischief, our teacher catches like a thief. We always think that we are cool, but our teacher says we are just a fools. Our teacher are our friends only when we surrender to them. Our teacher says our teachers are best guider only when we respect them. Our teacher shows us direction and we are the one who reaches the destination. With the help of our teacher, a lot of hard works and affection, the steep of the growth of our life, but our teacher give us some meaningful vibes. Always remember your teacher, but they are the one who respect and make a bright future. Thank you.
Hello teachers and my dear friends. My name is Rudra Praveen Balgaude. I am in 5th standard. Today I am speaking about Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is most memorable day in the life of student and teacher. It is a day when teachers can relax and talk to their fellow teachers. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September in India. A teacher is very kind and helpful to ourselves. A teacher is friend and guide to our life. We never thank our teacher. I always respect my all teachers. Thank you so much.
Good morning teacher, my name is Srushti Bhagwan Pawar and today I am going to take a speech on Teachers' Day. In India, we celebrate Teachers' Day to honor the memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan on 5th of September. This occasion of Teachers' Day began in 1962. Teachers' Day is celebrated in all the educational institutions where the teachers are showered with flowers and gifts by the students who express their thankfulness, and it is one of the most celebrated occasions. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. अनसुलझे सवालों को पल में सुलझाए, अनसुलझे सवालों को पल में सुलझाए. डांटे या डराए हमको आँखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी बातों से. डांटे या डराए हमको आँखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी बातों से. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. माना कि हम कल बड़े हो जाएंगे, आप हमेशा यूं ही याद आएंगे. माना कि हम कल बड़े हो जाएंगे, आप हमेशा यूं ही याद आएंगे. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. Thank you.
कुणी म्हणायचं मास्टर, कुणी हौसेनं गुरुजी म्हणायचे. सर तुमच्या रूपात आम्हाला प्रत्यक्ष देव दिसायचे. आई म्हणायची पोरांनो, गुरुजींचं सगळं ऐकत जा. चंदनासारख्या झिजणाऱ्या गुरुजींच्या नेहमीच ऋणात राहत जा. सटवीने लिहिलं नशीब, पण गुरुजींनी आयुष्याचं सोनं केलं. काही न मागताच ओंझळीत न सरणारं दान दिलं. आई पाठवायची शाळेत, पण बाई आणि गुरुजी फुलांसारखं जपायचे. छडीऐवजी हातावर प्रेमाच्या श्री गणेशाच लिहायचे. देव म्हणू तुम्हाला की शिक्षणासाठी देवदूत म्हणावं, काहीच कळत नाही, पण तुमच्याशिवाय शिक्षणाचा कल्पवृक्षच फुलणार नाही. शब्दांना मिळाली शक्ती, तुमच्यामुळे प्रगतीचा कळस उंच गेला. गुरुजी तुमच्यामुळेच आज भाकरीचा चंद्र शोधता आला.
Hello everyone, my name is Kari Ganesh Koi from 6th B. Today I am presenting a poem. खुद पर बने हर चुटकुले आजकल जो चुपचाप सहते हैं, ये उनकी कहानी है जिन्हें हम गुरु, मैडम, सर या अपना टीचर कहते हैं. हाँ, ये वही है जिनकी क्लास में अक्सर तुम छुपकर टिफिन खाया करते थे. होमवर्क तो घर पर भूल गया टीचर, ऐसे बहाने बनाया करते थे. ये वही है जो अक्सर तुम्हारी गलतियों पर तुम्हें टोक दिया करते थे. जो गलतियाँ औरों ने की वो तुम्हें करने से रोक दिया करते थे. मगर अब ना वो रोकना ना टोकना, सब कुछ जैसे फाइन हो गया है. अरे अब तो स्कूल भी ऑनलाइन हो गया है. अब तुम होमवर्क करो ना करो क्या फर्क पड़ता है. टीचर्स की डांट से अब कहाँ कोई बच्चा डरता है. मगर एक बात तुम भी जान लेना, अगर सच लगे तो मान भी लेना. मीलों दूर घर बैठकर स्क्रीन को घूरकर सिखाना आसान नहीं होता. सैलरी टाइम पर मिले ना मिले, पर तुम्हें सिखाना इनके लिए कोई आसान नहीं होता. तो चलो आज थोड़ा सा वक्त निकालकर उनका हौसला बढ़ाया जाए. इस जंग में वो अकेले नहीं उतरे हैं, हम भी उनके साथ हैं, उन्हें बताया जाए. थैंक यू and wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
Good afternoon, teacher and my dear friends. My name is Lavish Kiran Shinde from Standard 7th Division A. So we are telling a short speech on my teacher and my inspiration. Teacher contribution to a child life is enormous because a child has to spend more of his time in the school. A good teacher gives a life to a child. A good teacher understands what qualities are necessary for a child to success in life. Even though my grades may not always be the best, I assure you that having you as my teacher makes me truly blessed for now. I know that you will never give up on me. Thank you for helping me be all I can be because of you. I can see that my future is bright. Above all, you taught me to shine throughout my life. You always have been inspiration who guide me all through. Thanks for being my true mentor. Wishing that this teacher day be for really special for you. Thank you.
My topic is enterprising teachers. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination and instill the love of learning. Teaching is one of the oldest and one of the respected profession and yet one of the most undervalued and underpaid job. But all this is changing nowadays. Many of the skills which are needed to teach well are similar to those of starting a business. So there is no coincidence that good teachers often make a good entrepreneurs. Teachers are often as curious as their students. They need to keep lessons fresh and inspiring in the classroom. Entrepreneurial mind always has love and affection of learning, which is key to success. In the jobless future, both teacher and entrepreneur can have a significant impact on the lives of people. Impact successful businessmen often cite teachers as the reason for the achievement. Teachers and entrepreneurs always assist their customers and students. A good educator knows how to communicate with the different students. The best teacher makes learning easy through storytelling and demonstrating rather than dictating facts. So, concluding, most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by the people who have kept on trying. There seem to be no hope at all. Our teachers do the same for all of us.
My name is Arya Tambe and today I am going to speak a poem on Teacher's Day. Thank you, teacher, for being my life's role model. When I consider all you have taught me and reflect on the kind of person you are, I want to be like you. Smart, interesting and engaging, positive, confident, yet unpretentious. I want to be like you. Well informed and easy to understand, thinking with your heart as well as your head, gently nudging us to do our best with sensitivity and insight. I want to be like you, giving your time, energy and talent to ensure the brightest possible future for each of us. Thank you, teacher.
Good afternoon, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Nehal Naneshwar Bhumkar. I am studying in Standard 7 Division C. Today I am going to speak a few words about role of teacher in my life. Teachers play an essential role in my life. Not only do they teach me in school, but I also learn many useful things like moral values, social etiquettes, how to treat others and be friendly with my classmates. But a good teacher has the power to change my life, ignite me in most perfect way. Teachers also play a very important role of shaping my future. Right from kindergarten to university, they are the ones who impart knowledge and teach me about everything important. Moreover, they also teach me ethical values and imbibe in my moral values. Thus, I can say that teachers shape my personality into something very strong and wonderful. A world without teacher would be definitely chaotic. There are only a few people in my life who impact my world, and teachers are the one of them. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
अनीशा राहुल क्षत्रिय पोएम ऑन टीचर्स। हम स्कूल रोज थे जाते थे, शिक्षक हमको पढ़ाते, बच्चों का दिल था कोरा कागज, उस पर थे ज्ञान अमिट लिखवाते। पर अब की बार शिक्षक दिवस पर बिन शिक्षक के हम ऐसे बिन सुगंध फूल जैसे। कठिन समय में कोरोना के है योद्धा बनकर आगे आए, भूल कर अपनी सब कठिनाइयां मेहनत कर हमको पाठ पढ़ाए। मिलता ना अगर आपका सहारा, पूरा ना होता लक्ष्य हमारा। फिर से जब स्कूल खुलेंगे, आपसे ज्ञान के दीप मिलेंगे।